don't expect it, you don't ever in a million years think it's going to happen.
It felt like everything is taken away from you.
He stopped speaking. He only could say mom and dad.
Emotional, behavioral, and developmental disorders are prevalent in millions of children now. So the urgent need is to find, first of all, a prevention, and secondly, an intervention.
One of the important aspects that drives all of this is the adequate development of the neural circuits that help us regulate our behavior, control our emotions, control our impulses, help us remember things, make decisions. And when those brain structures don't develop properly, then you have problems.
We have shown very robust brain effects in our babies, but the important question is, what is driving those brain changes? I think that our family nurture intervention is modulating bodily states of the infant, which are in turn regulating the brain. The Nurture Science program is a multidisciplinary team convened to understand the biological underpinnings of nurture, and just as importantly, to develop an evidence base for family nurture intervention for emotional, behavioral, and developmental disorders in children.
It's a program that's designed to do research ranging from molecular biology through animal models into clinical research as well, trying to leverage the power of nurture and then using our basic science laboratories to understand the mechanism.
For clinical research, we started at the beginning with prematurely born infants.
Prematurely born babies are at increased risk for getting neurodevelopmental disorders of various sorts, including autism, but not limited to autism.
I noticed in the NICU, the neonatal ICU, that mothers appeared disconnected. And it was no wonder. Their babies' lives were threatened, the prematurity interrupted the pregnancy, their expectations were shattered. The family nurture intervention is based on the naturally occurring processes of emotional connection and co-regulation that happen in the course of normal mother-infant nurturing interactions.
We completed the first large randomized trial here, and to my surprise, not only were there demonstrable improvements in neurodevelopmental outcome, but they were objective biological signals that I still can't explain, but they're there.
When we saw those results, must admit everybody thought it's not likely that it'll be that dramatic. It was exceedingly dramatic.
The best thing about the Nurture study is that I actually got to bond with my baby in a very difficult situation.
We think that family nurture intervention's effect is from emotional connection. The goal is to help the field and indeed parents understand nurture, why it's so vital, how it is a prevention as well as a treatment, and to offer evidence-based interventions that can be used as prevention and treatment.
It's more a memory of feeling them on my body and feeling like a sense of relief. Like finally I'm being what I think a mother should be.
It really helped. It really made a total difference. It brought us closer together. It relaxes us. He can count on me now.
I think that every single mom and dad should have access to this kind of support.